let Cebu Elegant Properties help you with that. I'm Christine, your Cebuana licensed real estate broker and your property host buddy for today. Right now, we are here in this beautiful house with a lot area of 300 square meters and a floor area of 300 square meters. This is located in Consolacion, Cebu, which is pretty close to Mactan Cebu International Airport and SM Consolacion. So right now, let's go inside this property. So this property, which is a lot area of 300 square meters, has a garage which can accommodate at least 3 cars. Here. This is the garage area. This is for the SUV, and another one is for the small cars over there. We also have this front yard here where you can do your gardening. By the way, guys, this road, this space here will lead to the roof deck, which is the most highlighted place in this house. So this will be for the foyer, which leads to the main entrance. This door here is made of Tugas, which is beside a word for hardwood. So let's go inside. Notice here that we have hardwood furniture and hardwood stairs and so much more, so much hardwood in this place. So this is the receiving area. And as you can notice, it is high ceiling. And the gas here can be seen for the people on the second floor. Then, next is the dining area. This is the dining area. The dining table is also made of Tugas. And we have here a bar countertop for people who want to chill at nighttime. And then, notice here that we also have wide screen doors, wide sliding doors, which allows natural air and light to come inside this house. Here, this is the main kitchen. It is made of granite countertop. And then, after the main kitchen, this is the dirty kitchen where the owners most likely do the cooking. This one. And then this door here leads to the service area where they do the laundry services. And then another feature of this house is the wide or huge guest room for the elderly and for the people who want to live in the ground floor. Here. And then the guest room has also its own or ensuite toilet and bathroom. This is the so-called mini master bedroom in the ground floor. Notice here that we have this glass enclosed shower room and then a walk-in closet over here. Okay, so now let's go to the second floor. Guys, this is the powder room in the ground floor. So, now we are now going to the second floor. And mind you guys, this stairs here is made of Tugas wood or hardwood. You know what? This house has a touch of modern design, but a little bit of Mediterranean because of the wood. Then Here we have 3 rooms. Each of the rooms, the 2 rooms has a shared toilet and bathroom. Let's now go first to bedroom number 1. So this is bedroom number 1, and it has a shared toilet and bathroom with bedroom number 2. But guys, this one has a balcony. Actually, it's a big one. Didn't makita sa video, but later our cameraman will show it to you. This is really ideal for morning coffee and night chit-chats. And then here is our shared toilet and bathroom. It's also glass enclosed. And then this door here leads to the bedroom number 2. This one. It has also its own closet. And mind you guys, we have this huge window which allows you to see what's outside the mountains. And now let's go to the master bedroom, the most awaited part of this house. By the way, before we enter the master bedroom, this space here, this foyer, leads to the roof deck area. If you have guests coming into your house, and if you don't want your house to be messy, you just have to let them pass through this door. Okay. This one. From the outside, you can actually have them pass through the garden and then here. But first, tanawan sa nato ang master bedroom. Okay. So this one here is the master bedroom. Master bedroom is very huge and it has a lovely view of the mountain and the city. Here, the master bedroom can accommodate a king-size bed, and it has also a balcony which serves as their gym area. But we will see first this area here. This one is every woman's dream because it has a huge walk-in closet and a jacuzzi. Here, it hasn't been used yet. This is a jacuzzi where you can relax at nighttime with your loved one. And then we have here a glass enclosed shower room. Okay, can see it? And then let's go now to the walk-in closet. The vanity place for every woman. See, we have here walk-in closet. And you can also put here a vanity mirror that has lots of lights. So I'll go to the balcony area. See this, guys, it's very amazing. It's a coffee table made of hardwood. And then here, this is the balcony where they put the, what do you call this, walker? I don't know what's the name of that. And then, come, let's go out. I don't know if claro ba? And then here we can see the mesmerizing view of the mountains and a little bit of the city over there. Okay, let's go to the roof deck area. This is the roof deck area where you can host parties and events together with your friends and family. Imagine having Christmas and New Year here, and then with all those dashing and glimmering fireworks, right? So here we have the kitchen area for the 3rd floor, and we also have here the shower and toilet and bathroom. So guys, to sum up this property, It has a lot area of 300 square meters and a floor area of 300 square meters. And then a car garage which can accommodate at least 3 cars, 2 SUVs, and 1 small car. And then on the ground floor, we have a guest room, or what do you call that, a mini master bedroom, which has its own toilet and bathroom, and a walk-in closet. And then on the second floor, we have 3 rooms and 2 toilet and bathrooms. One for the master bedroom and the other one is for the bedrooms 1 and 2. And here in the roof deck, we have here huge space for events. Okay, so guys, if you are interested about this property, please give us a call at 0917-7999-429 or email us at myfuturehome101@gmail.com. So guys, there you go. I'm Christine, your Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Thank you.